Hello everyone and welcome again in our new video. In today's video we are again gonna learn some really awesome drawing and tutorials of how to make different stuff from paper and other materials. Starting off with the first one, we can learn how to make this beautiful butterfly from ice cream sticks and papers, which is really easy to make. Moving forward to the next one, in which we have again taken a piece of paper and folded it into a thin layer of paper, and then we will cut it into a shape and modify it into a really beautiful flower, as we can see and learn from the video. Then we will make the stem and make it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we are using some ice cream sticks for the beginning. We have colored the ice cream sticks in different colors by using some markers, and then we will paste some googly eyes to make it a dragonfly. Moving forward to the next one, in which we have taken the prints of our hand or the outline on a paper, and then we have cutted it and made a mask out of it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we are using some transparent thick paper, and then we will modify the paper into a really beautiful cloud with a smiling face. Moving forward, in which we are using some heart shaped paper, which we are cutting it from a tool and then hanging it through the cloud. Moving forward to the next one, which is also a really easy one, we will learn how to make this awesome one by performing the steps as shown in the video. We will first cut some papers and modify it as shown in the video to complete it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we have taken a small piece of paper for the beginning. We can take any colored paper and then we will make it into a shaped, and then we will connect it and make it a crown which looks really beautiful, and then we will decorate the crown. Moving forward to the next one, in which we are again using some ice cream sticks to make some really beautiful and cute looking cartoons from the sticks. Moving forward to the next one, we will look forward to take a long piece of paper, which is a layer of paper, and then we will convert it into a really cute cartoon of a tiger. We will first stick the eyes and then complete it by making as shown. Moving forward to the next one, in which we are making a tie out of a paper. We will follow the steps accordingly and cut the pieces of paper as shown to convert the tie. Moving forward to the next one, which is also an easy one, we will first take a square shaped paper again and fold it into some layers of paper, as we can see and learn from the video. Then we will fold it into some halves and convert it and stick it by its corresponding half, and stick some googly eyes on the next paper, which is a circle shaped one, by making a face of a cute tiger which looks really awesome, and stick it onto that paper. Thank you for watching the video.